Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to email Remitly. If you want to reach out to Remitly via email, whether you have a question, need assistance, or want to share feedbacks, then here is how you can easily reach out to Remitly via email. So the first thing to do is to open up an email application and then compose an email for Remitly. In the to text field, type in service@remitly.com if you want to go for general inquiries. Similarly, if you want to complain, simply go ahead and reach out to service@remitly.com and then enter a subject that you want to talk about in the subject text field. Once you are done typing in the subject, you can now go ahead and craft your email. Briefly state your full name and email address associated with your Remitly account. Clearly explain your reason for contacting Remitly. You can be polite and respectful in your own tone. If you have any supporting documents about the issue or the questions, you can take a screenshot or other relevant file that can help clarify your issue and then link it on the email as well. After you are done filling in all of your details, you can now go ahead and tap on the send icon at the top right in blue. Expect a response in 24 to 48 hours on weekdays. You'll receive a confirmation email upon sending your messages. If the platform requests any other additional information, be patient and ready to provide it along the way. So that is how you can easily contact Remitly via email. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.